Hello guys, welcome back to the weekly review. Right now we are looking at US30 and we can see at the start of the week we closed off right here, and at the start of the week we came back. We're looking now, giving us that retest. The market did great, forming that head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern is a form of reversal, so we know that we are looking the gap from here, the head until the plateau, right? Or the bottom, the head and bottom, that's our gap. So this, we're expecting the market to now beat up and then reach this area for the week, right? If it did respect our setup. But now we also saw this right here, which gave us a double. The market did come and then gave us that retest, came again, entered our trade, right? Entered our trade and then gave us that retest. But now we saw that it gave us a double top formation. So now it's signaling us that okay, maybe our setup is still viable, the market is still playing around, right? So it did should hit our first target, because this was our first target, this was our second target, this was our overall target, because that's what we're looking at. But we're also looking at this area as another low area that the market might come and hit. So it did hit our first target but went back down, right? Went back down, not down, it went back up, creating that continuation pattern. You can see we're in an upward direction. So now with that continuation pattern, this was the perfect time for us to exit the trade, because now we can see that now we are looking for an upward trend because of this continuation triangle. The market did come again, it gave us that double top formation right there, right? Gave us this double top formation right here, and then shoot back down again. We know a double top formation is a form of reversal, so it did shoot back down, try to reach our second low area right there, but it shot back up with the market gaining momentum due to the resignment of the UK Prime Minister. But yeah, that's gonna be it for US100, US30, I mean. Looking at Ger40 right here, we can see at the start of the week we're now again shooting up, gave us that retest, came again for that retest. We're like, okay, if it does give us another retest and buy, we'll take our buy entry, and we did take that buy entry, right? And we now took our first take profit right there. But now what we're also looking at is that it gave us that double. After hitting our take profit target, it did come back again, gave us a retest, shoot back, gave us that double top formation, signaling a reversal. We did have that when we here, right, when we are at this area right here, we're looking at that it gave us our first touch, second touch, third touch. Now we are seeing that this is a strong upward trend. This was a strong upward trend, so we're now looking that we are at the bottom of that downward upward trend. So we're now looking for buy entries. But what you can also see that this small downward channel was also forming, so we are also at the bottom of that downward channel. So our buy entry was not that long. We only bought here and sold here because of that downward channel. As you can see, we buy high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, right? And the market did break out of that downward channel. We are now looking for it to come, we shoot back down. We're now okay, we are going back down, creating lower lows and lower highs, right? But it did come in great, now shoot back up, gave us that double. It's a resistance area right there. So when the market did hit here, we are now looking for sell, because now we are like, okay, it's gonna close. It didn't close above. If it had closed above and then gave us a retest, we'd be looking for buy entries towards this area. But since it didn't close above it, it just gave us that false breakout right there. Close below gave us that the dark clouds right there, which is a form of a reversal, right? A bearish reversal or a bullish reversal, right? And then the market did shoot back down, came back and created our lower lows. But again, this is where we're gonna close for Ger40. Looking at gold, and can see at the start of the week we're in that we did shoot back up, and then once we hit that area there, we created that downward trend channel. Right now, creating that downward trend channel, when we at the high of that downward trend channel, we're now looking for sell entries. when we at the low, we're looking for buy entries. But as you can see, the market did consolidate in this area right here. In this area right here, the market did give us a consolidation. You can see we're now looking for buy entries right here, but the market gave now creating lower lows and lower highs, still signaling that we are still in a bearish movement. But when we reached here, where there's a low area, also the bottom of our downward trend channel, right? You can see we had a bullish engulfing, which is now signaled another form of, okay, we are at the low, the bottom of the trend line. We also have a bullish engulfing, so we give us a stronger signal for a buy entry until this now we're looking at our overall target here. When we reached here, we are now looking for buy entries, but of course you can see this resistance support area, since it's above its support, when it gave us that retest on support area break above, we're now looking for that retest. We're looking for it to hit here, bounce back until it gave us a retest that would be had been a safer entry to go long. But of course the market did consolidate. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold. Looking at US100 at the start of the week, we're in this support area right there. We did now gain momentum towards the upside, right, breaking above that high area that we had. Now we had it come back for a retest onto this area right here. Would have taken a strong buy looking at this area, this high there as our overall take profit target. But the market did not come back for that retest. It just kept shooting up, and until it reached that downward trend line. It reached that downward trend line, as you can see. Once we're at the top of that downward trend line, we're now looking for sell entries. The market did come still playing inside that downward trend line, which we can see now it formed this downward trend channel. So now when it came back here forming that downward channel, we at the bottom we buy sell again. So now it did hit here, and now we are looking for to close within this area. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly review. Hopefully you like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's grow together, let's learn together. But yeah, peace.